2019 Chevy Traverse with a shift to park message. There's a bulletin for it. The bulletin applied to 2016 to 2019 Chevy Malibu, 2018 and 19 Chevy Traverse, Buick, and the other vehicle. So the shift to park, in case you guys didn't know, it's a very common problem on those generation Traverse and Malibus. Whenever you put the car in park, the car shuts off. It will tell you is the put the car in park again. It is intermittent problem because this car is not doing it right now. As you can see, it is not doing it right now. You put the car in park and it tells you put it in park again, and that when that happens, the car won't shut off. It will still be on, or the lights will stay on and stuff. I can't get it to happen on that one, but I know I already know the problem, so I'm just gonna fix it. Follow me. Now, to properly fix it, there are two ways that you can go about it. It's either you replace that shifter, or you replace the shifter switch, the harness that's inside of it. On that one, I'm just gonna replace the harness. It's not too difficult to do, and the shifter is a lot more expensive to replace. So let's save the customer some money and just replace the harness. To do it, you need to first of all remove this the shifter knob. As you guys can see, I have the car in neutral and I have the parking brake on, so I'll shut it off. Right, that's exactly what it will say if when the problems start occurring. It will start beeping like this, even when the car's in park. So let's remove the shifter knob. To remove it, you grab it and you twist it as you're pulling up on it. There you go, it is loose. And let's remove this whole trim piece here and the console. This whole piece, it will come up. Be careful, don't put too hard because you got some harness that plugs into the forward drive, the parking brake, and other things too. So let's go. It is loose. Now let's try to unplug. I'm gonna try to unplug the connectors underneath it. As you guys can see, there are three connectors that for the park, reverse, neutral light. You squeeze, push that tab down and pull it. This one do the same thing. You push, you squeeze the tab here to disengage it, and the green one, same procedure. So let's take those both off and pop those Christmas tree off with this. So here is the trim, the console right here. It's a big piece. So let's remove those 14mm. All right, 14mm. So I got my Milwaukee here. So I'll highly suggest that you guys watch that video because it is a very common problem on those vehicles. If it's covered under warranty, it's not a problem. This one is not covered under warranty. It's past the bumper to bumper, so the customer have to pay out of pocket to fix this. It is a very common problem. So watch the whole video so you can get the concept. All right, guys. Now I got the shifter loose. I need to remove the transmission cable off of it. It's held by two T30. That's a T30 right here. Under 2018, there's usually a tab you have to squeeze and you pull this off. But in 2019 and up, you'll have to. It's held in by two T30 screws. It's pretty tight. This bolt, that one here specifically, is very tight. So I had to use my Milwaukee impact driver to get it off, but it's loose now. I couldn't do it with a screwdriver. There you go, and it's loose. Now, like I said, once again, you got two options. Either you replace this whole thing, the shifter assembly, or you replace the harness here. That's the harness. It goes all around the shifter, top to bottom. Here it is. That's the one. I'm just gonna replace the harness and it will be good to go. Here is the part number to fix it. And this thing here, part number. That's what I'm gonna use to properly. Let's pop that cover off. We're gonna use a pick for that. Covers off. So I got this piece off. You remove it, and you need to unplug the white connector here. I'm about to remove this piece here too, so you can remove that's the switch right here. Yep. So I'm just removing the whole harness here. Go. You follow the wilding for it, and you put the switch for it once you follow the wilding. And let's disengage it. Here's the old one, guys. I'm about to put the new one in. That's the switch for it. That's the part that usually go bad out of it. That's the switch. It intermittently drop out, so that's why it's giving you the shift to part message. You're making sure to put the shiny part in that hole right here. Okay, and now let's put the cover on it. The switch is held in place with this tool, this thing here. You slide it in. Take this to orientation. Go slide in and follow the wilding to put all the cables in the right spot. I put the connector in place. You slide it in, plug that white connector, and you're gonna put it in that little slot here. As you guys can see, I'm pretty much done with it. I'm just putting the covers back on. You really can mess that up. It's really easy to do. It looked intimidating at first. Even to me, it looked intimidating the first time I did one, but practice made perfect. So. There is one step I forgot to mention. You need to slide this thing the other way. And it. If you 10mm bolt that go in there, don't forget to add that too. And that should be it. And the Malibu is a lot more labor intensive, so you need to remove this whole console assembly to access it. But on the Traverse, it's pretty easy, very easy. So that's it for today, guys. The installation is the reverse of removal. I forgot, you need to add that jumper and harness in there too. You need to buy it as a kit from parts. It's the same procedure. Whether it's the Malibu, the Traverse, Buick, GMC, it's the same procedure, to be honest. It really is. The only thing is different is accessing that the shifter assembly. That's the only difference, but it's the same thing. Alright? Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.